and I'm here to talk to you about using more extreme makeup with your rock star costume. Now, if you're going for a really crazy look, or you want to go as somebody who will really stand out, you don't want just the basics. You don't want just a little bit of eye makeup. You want to have crazy makeup. So, you're going to want to have eyeshadow. You're going to want to have lipstick. You're going to want to have lip liner. And you're going to want to have lip gloss. Start with the eyeshadow. Take out the eyeshadow and apply very liberally eyeshadow to your lids. You want to have really, really dark sockets here. Don't make it look too classy. Most rock star makeup is really crazy. Particularly if you're going as a punk rocker or a grunge rocker, make it really nasty. With a lipstick, having lip liner helps because then you can make a shape. You draw a shape along your lips, and then you use the lipstick to fill in the shape. How much lipstick you use depends on the kind of costume you want to make. Chances are you don't want to have too much, otherwise you're going to end up looking like a clown, which doesn't really work with any rock genre. I would generally say use some kind of crazy lipstick so it's clear that you aren't just wearing lipstick for the fun of it. And finally, you're going to want some lip gloss to give it a little extra sparkle. So apply that after you've put on the lipstick. And if you can get some sparkle as well, some glitter, get that too. A little bit of glitter on the cheeks will grab the attention. The more extreme makeup is not for every rock star costume. If you're going as a Brit rocker, for example, you're going to look ridiculous with any kind of lipstick. And if you're going as a punk, you're probably not going to want to wear lipstick either unless it's really black or something silly like that. So think about not overdoing it as well when you're putting together your costume. If your costume calls for crazy makeup, by all means do it, but if it doesn't, leave it out.